need to be very careful, or else this Funko Pop will break.
Are you excited?
Yes!
Na, then itin.
I wonder what Funko Pop is inside. Ako sa gilid. I think it's Spider-Man. I think it's... Let's open. Oh my God! Funko-lic. Let's open this. Oh, another box, bro. I think it's here.
Ayos sa, ayos sa bida yun.
Excited to open this. Stitch. Wow!
Open.
Oh my God! Stitch lagi.
Okay.
It's Stitch. And the Funko Pop's name is Stitch. With as you can see, there is more characters that you can collect.
Okay, ito bang. Then thank you na yun.
Thank you for watching our video.
Okay, thank you very much.